You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 4.